Hello friends, today we are going to understand the Salesforce platform application. As you know that in the previous classes, in the previous sessions, we understood what do you mean by Salesforce, what are the features and how it will help you to maintain the customer information. But it was more kind of a theoretical part. Today we are going to explore the actual platform, the application. So whatever the user you have created, I think all of you might have created the user. So you can see, you can go to that channel and then you can see the video where I have clearly explained how to create your own user so that you can access the Salesforce platform and explore it. Okay. So today I'm going to show you what are the features which are available on the Salesforce platform, and then we are going to go further. Okay. So be with me till the complete video. You are going to get more information about this platform. Okay. So here today we are going to understand the user interface of the Salesforce Lightning platform. Actually, the Salesforce platform, earlier it was kind of two interfaces were there: Salesforce Classic and Salesforce Lightning, where Salesforce Classic is an older version and Salesforce Lightning is a newer version with better user interface and better features. Today we are going to explore the applications, what are the tabs, objects and fields, what do you mean by profile, and what is a user, how to create it, and just some basic information we are going to explore. Okay, so let us move to our Salesforce login page. So here already the login you have created, you have to enter your username, which will be in the form of name at the rate of your some kind of email ID, and then your password. So click on login. So once you click on login, here you can see the platform. It is opening like this, where this is the home page by using which you can explore the application, start exploring the application. So some home page and whatever you can see, get started with Einstein bots. So here, artificial intelligence and machine learning is used in every area of software field. It is not exclusively, most of the people, most of the students are thinking that artificial intelligence or machine learning, it is a completely different area. No, it is used in every other technology to make it better, to refine it, to make it more effective. Okay, similarly, artificial intelligence is also used in Salesforce. Okay, so one of the examples is Einstein bots, which is used to communicate with the customer to provide some kind of customer support. Okay, so that we'll discuss in detail when that topic comes. And this homepage contains whatever the most recently uh, actions that you have performed on the platform. Okay, and on the left side you can see this quick find button, quick search, the search box, where you can see these are the different features or options which are available, by using which you can do some kind of changes in the settings, the application settings, whatever the background changes you want to do, that you can perform. Okay, and then you can see here this 9 dots, right? This is called as app launcher. You can see the help logo also, help button also, right? You can see the help is coming here. So this is called as app launcher, where once you click on that app launcher, you can see different apps available here. It will show you whatever the apps available in our Salesforce platform. So you can see service, marketing, CRM Classic, community, all these things. So I just want to go to any application. Let us type sales. You can see here, sales pop up. Okay, so click on that. So once you click on that, you can see a page, sales homepage opened. Okay, so what is an app? You might be wondering, what do you mean by app? App is nothing but an application. See, whenever you are using any programming language, Java or .NET, any programming language, the ultimate goal or the ultimate outcome that you will be expecting is you want to design one application with that, which will solve some kind of business problem. Okay, so here also in Salesforce we are having different applications, right? The difference is, when you take any other technology, you start developing the application from the scratch. Okay, what are the you collect the requirements, you design the UI, and you create the different objects to store the data, everything you start developing from the scratch. But here in Salesforce, you are provided with built-in applications. Already some platform is set up, right? If you want to do any kind of sales related activities, sales app is already available. If you want any service kind of activities related to your business, already service app is available. Okay, so basic features, objects, everything is set up. On top of that, if you want to do any kind of customization changes, that you can do. Clear? So in the coming classes, we are going to learn more detail and understand better all these things. Basically, app is nothing but a working product or solution for a business problem. Like we create banking applications, academic, all these things. As this is the customer relationship management software, we have created already built-in applications are provided by the Salesforce to solve or to address the customer issues and to store the customer data efficiently. Clear? Now you can see here on this interface, you can see opportunities, leads, all these boards. These are called as tabs. Tabs, tabs. Okay. So here, when you click on the tab, you can see different information it is showing here down. Okay. For example, if you click on accounts tab, you can see, so here you can see some logo, accounts recently viewed. So click on this drop down. You can see here there is a heading called as list views. Okay, where it is showing all accounts, all recipes, accounts, my accounts, all these things. Actually, it is called as list view, which we can use to filter the records which I want to see. Okay, that we are going to see how to create a list view. Okay, as of now, I'll try to click on this all accounts. See, so once you click on the all account, it will show you all the account records which are available here currently. Got it? So if I click or try to open any record, let us take edge communication. Okay, so click on that. Then on the details tab, you can see all the data which is related to this edge communications account. The name of the account, account number, on the right side, rating, phone, fax, website, all this information is available. Okay, so what is account, what is contacts, that is the next topic we are going to learn and know in detail. Clear? Now, so once you click on this, on the details page, you can see all the information related to the account. Similarly, when you go to the contacts tab, as I told you, again we have to click on this one, select what kind of because all the data is filtered with the help of these list views. You have to choose which information that you want to see. The information specific to any kind of category or filter, or if you want to view all the data, click on all contacts. You can see all the contact data is coming. If you want to explore what is there in that record, then you just click on that, and that record will open. Here you have to click on the details tab to see the information related to the contact. Okay, so there is a relation between account and contacts. Okay, that we are going to see, because whenever you create any if you want to store any kind of data, obviously you'll create objects, or in the database terminology you have learned in database, you will be creating some relations which will store the information. So here also in Salesforce, we call that table or relation as objects. Okay. So backend, these are nothing but uh, tables which are there in the backend, but to available on the front end on the UI, they are shown here as tabs. Okay. If you want to see the leads object data, you will click on this leads. Okay. And then click on this one. You can see the list views, and you have to choose whatever the leads information that you want to see. So from your side, once the class is done, you just go there and try to explore what are the different objects which are available. Okay. So similarly, if you want to explore what are the other apps which are there, sales I have shown to you. You can select anyone, or you can see service is there. Click on that service, and then you can see what are the objects which are related to this service application. You can see here. Okay. Application is nothing but a collection of tabs, dashboards, reports, and whatever the custom pages that are working together to deliver some specific functionalities. The overall package is called as application, which is going to solve a business problem, right? And then you have seen the list views also, and the data if you want to see there in the sales application and service application, you can see few common tabs. Account tab was also there in the sales application, and here it is here, and the same time contacts tab is also available. Okay. Now this is about the front end or user interface, which you can see to view. Just now I have shown to you how to explore the data which is available or stored in the database. Okay. The data is stored in the form of objects because it is using object oriented, and then which is visible in the form of tabs. If you want to explore or if you want to see the data, the user interface provided by Salesforce is there. They have provided the tabs. Okay. You click on the tab, you can see the data which is stored in the backend. Okay. And then, so this is about the front end or user interface. If you want to change the settings from the backend side, then how to do that? Come on here on the right side, you can see setup. This is gear icon. Click on that setup, click on the gear icon, and click the setup. Again, you come to this quick find page, home page, where you can see all the things which are available here. By using these facilities or features, you can do some background changes or backend settings. For example, I'll just show you one. You type user. Okay. So you can see so many things which are coming here, profiles, public groups, all these things. So click on users. So here these are the users which are available for this application currently. Okay. So you remember when you create your user, you have provided your details, right? Whatever the email ID, first name, last name. So here these are the users which are there. For example, if you look at the current user which I'm using, and here different headings are there: action, full name, alias, what is the username, role, whether the user is active or not, and then profile. So profile is very much important in Salesforce. Whenever profile is nothing but a collection of settings which will decide what a user can do in the Salesforce. Once the user log into the Salesforce, what kind of actions he can perform, what kind of data he can see, what are the objects he can access. This provides all the privileges of what a user can do with in the Salesforce application. Okay, that will be decided by the profile. Okay, so here you can see this is the user Sheikh Shabuddin. I am the system administrator. As you know that in any technology, if you mean system administrator means you can do everything, right? So apart from that, if you want to create a new user and you want to give some kind of limited privileges, you can create. Okay. So here you can see new user. Okay. Let us see. First, open the existing user. Click on the user. So this is the data which is related to the current user, system administrator, name, alias, email, which you have provided while creating your account. Okay. The role and profile, which I told you, which is very much important in Salesforce. If you want to create any user, profile is a must, and profile is nothing but a collection of settings which will decide what kind of access a user is having, what a user can do in the Salesforce, what objects he can use, what data he can see, everything. Okay. So system admin means high level user. Other than that, if you want to create any user, as I told you, go back, click on the new user, and then provide all this information. While providing, you have to be careful about, you have to provide some role and what kind of license you'll be using and profile. Okay. So we'll see in detail when the topic of profile came. We'll see in detail. Okay. Right. Now, from your turn, you have to explore this application. This is, as I told you, that this is a short introduction. You click on the app launcher button, 9 dots, and go to any application as you wish. Can be sales or service or community, anything. Just go and explore this one. Okay. As I told you in the beginning, this is Salesforce Lightning platform. Salesforce Lightning is a new platform provided by Salesforce, latest version with some enhanced features, enhanced user interface. And few years ago, around 5 to 6 years ago, Salesforce was using an old platform called as Salesforce Classic. So if you want to go to Classic, you click on this view profile symbol, this image, and then you can see here below the options, switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this. You can see. So what change you found here? What is the difference you can observe? The difference in the user interface, right? So this was the old user interface which was used by the Salesforce developers or administrators few years ago, and then later Salesforce has upgraded to a newer version and it has upgraded its user interface also. Okay, but still, if anybody wants to explore the older version, they can go for this one by clicking on the button. Again, if you want to come back to the Lightning experience, click on this. You can see here, switch to Lightning experience. There is nothing difference. These are the two different interfaces, user interfaces which are provided by Salesforce. That's the old one, and this is Lightning UI is the new one. Okay. So I think I hope you understand the application, what are the features and all these things. And in the coming classes, we are going to learn more about this. And from your side, you if you have not created your application or account on Salesforce, create it first. Okay, and then come to this session. Just listen to this completely and explore the application. Whatever I told you and whatever is not covered, everything, you just explore the application. Try to note down whatever the queries you have. You can post in the comments. Thank you very much.